Cubbins Stealth Bomber. This is gonna be mental. But join me as we are about to, oh crap. Oh my goodness, I can see the entire city from up here. I like this already, and we haven't even gone upside down or anything. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Woo. We're going upside down. We're going upside down. Somehow we're not going upside down, which is really weird. Oh, we're going faster. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh. Oh my goodness, the view up here is very beautiful. If you want to see what there is, so over there you can see Loch Foyle. Oh, I can see the Peace Bridge. You can, no, I meant that's the Fall Bridge. That's the Fall Bridge. You can see the Fall Bridge. You can also see the power plant up in the distance. Oh, I'm sorry. But as we wait for this to go down, that was one ride that I'm never going to forget. The view up is so nice. I'm looking behind me and I can see the Ferris wheel and stuff, but this is so high. This is actually higher than the Sky Coaster and stuff. But you can see like the Foyle Bridge over there, I'm sorry. You can also see in the distance Loch Foyle. You can also see over there, you can see the power plant like I said before, and then the whole Funfair down below. I don't know how long I'm going to be up here for but the dispatches are very good on this. I want to try to see if I can get any more footage before we go, but this thing's absolutely amazing. But note this, unlike the rest of the things, the token system here, it's an extra £1 if you'd like to go on this, so just keep that in mind if you do decide that you're brave enough to go on this. But the view at the top, it's so nice. Oh wait, are we gonna go upside down? No. That wraps up this ride. Stuff. Wait, what? What's going on? Are they having problems with parking or something? Or are we going to be going again? What is going on? We're just kidding. Hello.